My name is Mark Brenner. I'm the Controls Engineering Manager for GOMACO, and this is the new electric CC1200. A lot of other industries are going electric, zero emissions, so GOMACO took it upon themselves to come up with a fully electric machine, be ahead of the market, just kind of prototype it out, see what the capabilities are, and if we could do a fit, form, and function replacement of a diesel engine. We accomplish it by using lithium-ion batteries going to an electric motor, which drives our hydraulic pump. Same performance. We also enhance this one just a tad bit, so we increase the efficiencies. So we have somewhat, we'll call it smart valving in there, so we only turn the motor with as much flow as we need, so to save on efficiencies. This is a prototype within the power plant. The machine is capable, just like all of our other CC1200s. So it can handle a curb that's 14 inches tall by 12 inches wide, the other capabilities of the diesel generated one. But we're hoping to learn the new technologies, the installation of the batteries, the safety requirements, all those little things that go along with converting over from diesel to electric. Everybody's excited to see where electric power plant's going. It seems like battery is just a tad bit more expensive than the diesel power, but as that price range changes and becomes a little more equal, I think it'll be more accepted. The challenge in this application was space requirement. We have lithium-ion batteries, a little bit more expensive, but then size. It took up quite a bit of space, and so when we look at doing some of the larger engines, those batteries take up a lot more space to get the same requirements for a guy to do a full day's pay with battery power. A learning curve prototype situation, as more components become available for the off-highway industry, the price will come down, the practicality will come down, and we'll see it. There'll be a mix of either diesel or a hybrid system or battery system across all lines here in the near future, I would assume. Two different charging models that are available on this, and one is standard, which would be we'll call it an overnight charge, somewhere in that 6 to 8 hours depending on your battery depletion. And then we also offer a 2-hour quick charge. Higher current charger, it hooks up to a 3-phase, so either in your building or get a 3-phase generator, and that'll give you a 2-hour quick charge to get you back up to 100%. You get right around that 6.5 hours of 100% load runtime. Most of the machines are on an 8 to 10 hour day are sitting in that 5 to 6 hour load time by the time they're waiting for concrete and or moving around. Even though you're working for 8 hours, it's not 100% load during those 8 hours. So we should be able to get through a full day with this battery setup. When we launched this CC1200E, or the prototype launch of it, we also brought in the full G+ technology from our other paving lines. So we brought in, this machine is now fully capable of 3D, GPS, string line sensors, sonar sensors. We have a full wireless remote control to operate it. No more manual stick handle to pull it around the job. So it's just a little more intuitive and follows the platform of all of our G+ control systems. It would be available to purchase. I'm the wrong one to talk to about that, but it's prototype right now. We'll get it out in the field, and when it's proven out with all the specifications that are laid out to get a full day's pave, to make sure the charging system is there, the cooling package, all that kind of stuff is worked out and proven out in the field, and customer satisfaction, it can quickly turn from prototype to production.